In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. So the first step is to open up a web browser. You can open up any other browser that you have. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Chrome, and in the search bar, you just type Python and hit enter. Now select the go to the official website or the official link of Python, that is python.org, and then click on that link right there, and then place your cursor on the download tab. Depending on you need to select the correct operating system of your computer. If you are on Mac, just click on this Mac here. If you are on other platforms, just click on that. But for this case, we are going to install on Windows. So here you go to you click on that link there, and the process of installation of download will commence. And once it's done, go to the download folder, go to File Explorer, go to Downloads, and the file is right here. Just double click on it to start the installation process. So these are two important boxes that you need to check. That is use admin privileges, and then add Python to path, and then you click on this install now. Then just click yes to let the installation start. Now the installation is complete. If you want to verify if the installation was complete, successful, just go to this system search and then type Python, search command prompt, and then let me just zoom in. You can type Python, just type Python space hyphen version and hit enter. You can see the version that we installed is Python 3.13.5. Now if you want to let's go to all apps, then scroll down to so you can see the Python is here, Python folder is here. If you click on that to expand, then we have Python IDLE. So if you want it placed on your taskbar, just right click on it and then more, and click on pin from to taskbar, like that. Then you can just click on it to open the IDLE, so that you can run some few. Let's say you can see now this. We can run our first say print hello world. Oh, sorry, I forgot. If you hit enter, you can see it prints like that. Now if you're not happy with this background, you can go to options and configure. Here you can choose the font, and then you can also down here you can choose the font size. You can by just clicking on that button there and select your appropriate font size. If you want also your text to be bold, you can check this, but I don't want this to be bold. Then to change the background, go to highlights, and then on this highlight theme, you can choose to customize, but I'm going to select dark, so I'll click on this built-in theme, go to click on this and then select dark like that, and then I'll click apply and then OK. Now you have this beautiful dark theme right there. Let's say I want to save this. I just right click, click on file and then click save as, and I'll save this on desktop and call it greetings. And click save. And let's say you want to run to use now a Python file. Just click on that and click on new file. So for example, you can say name is, let's say name is Victor. So you can say print bracket hello, comma, space, and then comma again, space, name. Like that. And then up above here, before you do that, just save. Say hello. I click save and then run. Click on this run tab here. You run module. So I hope now you have understood how to install and run a first program on Python. So that's all for today, and see you.